Hey guys, it's Kerry again from Byrider Madison, back at you with another video. Kind of doing a little bit of a piggyback on the video from last week. We were talking about vehicle warranties. Well, next thing we're going to talk about is maintenance. Maintenance is very important on your vehicle, not only specifically through us with that warranty, like we talked about, because obviously if you're not keeping up on your side of things, doing your oil changes, things like that, the warranty that we have is void. But obviously just maintaining your vehicle is really important with the regular maintenance. So doing your oil changes, tire rotations, doing those major services, major and minor services need to be done at certain mileage intervals, things like that. Biggest part is it's going to keep your vehicle on the road longer. It's going to extend the lifespan of your vehicle. It's just going to keep everything running nice, neat, orderly on your vehicle. So really important to keep up on that. Typically, when it comes to your oil changes, it's done every it's done every 3 months or so, or 3,000 miles. So you typically want to get that done in a routine fashion. Depending on what kind of vehicle, what kind of oil it takes, could be longer. But really important getting that done every few months, every 3,000 miles. And just keeping up on that. I always tell my customers, if you see something out of the ordinary, if you smell something out of the ordinary, if you hear something out of the ordinary, don't just turn up the radio. Give our service center a call, because again, keeping up with the maintenance is going to help prolong the life of the vehicle. It's going to help keep you out of the shop for those major repairs as well. So if you're keeping up on it, it's like anything else. If diet and exercise for your body, it's going to help prevent major issues. So same with your car too. Definitely keep up on the maintenance. If you have any service issues, give us a call, 608-663-1213. Kerry from Byrider Madison. Take care.